narrated presentation on game theory application, Deliverable 7 by Diana Mangru. Part 1. If you become the project manager and use your prior record as an indicator, find the probability that there will be an 85% or higher customer satisfaction rating. Use this information to make a convincing argument that you are a good choice for the position. At least 51 clients must give high customer satisfaction rating. Anything less would be less than 85%, which is given to be 85% or higher. So the probability that it is 85% or higher could be 51 over 60. This information is true in that if you want an 85% or higher customer satisfaction, the number of customers you gave that should be 51 or higher, and the probability should be 0.5877. Part 2, Solution 1. This coworker concludes that the dominant strategy for the manufacturer is to sue, and if the competitor assumes best play by the manufacturer, they would also sue. I would say that I disagree with this. They should not sue, even if the competitor assumed best play. And no, it should not be a zero-sum, because the gain or loss of the manufacturer is not balanced by the loss and gains of the competitor. This coworker concludes that under these circumstances, the manufacturer should be sued 50% of the time and not sue the other 50% of the time. And they should expect their competitor to do the same. I like this matrix in conclusion as well, especially if they did more research outside of it. I also agree with this: sue 50% of the time and not sue 50%. And the customer doing it too. That means they are suing wisely in a way. I think this is also realistic in terms of solution and maybe in the term of probability too, because it poses what would actually happen. I don't believe that this would sue would sue every single time. This is an example of zero-sum game. This is the playoff matrix, and here's a diagram of the game tree. In conclusion, the optimum strategy would be to sue 50% of the time and not all the time. Competitors should sue 50% of the time too. The 50% represents if there's a legitimate reason to sue on both sides. Don't sue like you're crazy, but if there is a reason to sue them, then take action. Thank you very much.